Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark in Pictory.ai. So if you are using Pictory.ai to create an AI videos or just edit videos using the AI tools in Pictory, such as this ones right here, as you guys can see, actually there's no watermark attached on the video, but then when you click on the preview video, you can see that on the
Create a video of
video
kittens
itself
playing in a
there will
yard.
be this watermark at the center of the video. So if you want to remove it, you can use another video editor such as CapCut or maybe DaVinci Resolve and use the masking tool or use a blur effect to remove the watermark. So what you need to do is just click on download first and then download your videos to your device, and after that edit the video on another video editor or video editing app. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.